Hi, welcome to another special episode of My Office Hour. Today's episode is Sumo Sports Day. Do you know that actually a large population of Malaysia is actually obese due to our wide variety of food options? It's our company's responsibility to ensure that all our employees are actually healthy and fit. So today, we will be bringing all our employees outdoors to test their fitness levels. We have 3 games for them, so let's see how do they do.
I don't care. No! Okay. Pull off the glove.
As you can see, our company would like to promote a healthy and balanced lifestyle. We realize that a lot of workers actually work overtime and tend to eat unhealthy food. But do they actually know how much it affects their health? If you would like your company to have fun and have a healthy lifestyle, you can go to our website www.myweekendplan.com.my to know more about our Sumo Camp team building program. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more.